everybody. I'm so sorry about that. My memory ran out. I have to learn to keep better tabs on that. So it looks like this is going to be a little bit of a two-parter, but you know, we're coming towards the end. So I just put on some eyebrow powder on this eyebrow, and I'm going to do the other one now. Okay. And I like to brush the little hairs up to make it look more fluffy and natural. Okay, just keep going with that idea in mind. Okay. All right. Okay, somebody's trying to call me, message. There we go, sorry about that. Okay, I'm gonna work on this side a little bit longer. There we go. So I think that we're good with that. And I am going to put a little bit of the SheGlam eyebrow gel on there. Just a little bit, tiniest little bit. You know, because I don't want to laminate it. I just want to, you know, I want it to look natural. So I just put a little bit on there. And I'm just going to kind of take it and go like that. Put a little bit on for the other eye. Okay. Yeah, let's get that on there. It will just help it stay put, you know, as will our setting spray. Okay, so we're done with the SheGlam eye gel. This is the gel. This is the spoolie that you apply the gel with. And I always wipe mine off after after I'm done using it. That gets all the gel off and you don't have to deal with a messed up spoolie. All right. It's ready for when you want to use it again. Let's see if we need any more highlighter anywhere. I think we're good. I don't know. I was thinking about using this really dark Wet n Wild to line my eyes with. And again, this one is called Call Me Maple. Call Me Maple. Okay. So I'm going to take this angled brush right here, and I'm going to just kind of let's make sure it's clean before we do this. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to dip it. I'm just going to brush the brush on there like that. Okay. And then I'm going to go along and I'm going to make a little wing with it. All right. This may not work so good, but we're definitely going to use it under the eyes. Okay. I think that's okay. Get the outer corner of that lid with this. Yeah, there we go. And then we want to get under the eye. And it's a very subtle, you know, kind of wing look that we have there. Okay, so we're done with that. Gonna rinse our brush off here. Just put a little bit more there on this wing. The other one's showing up better than this one. All right, there we go. Now, what are we gonna do for those lips? I have a couple of choices. I've got Nude by Nature's Pretty Smart Matte Liquid Lipstick. And this is the color, let's see here. This is the color Brave. Or we could use this Poudier from Temu. We could use that too. In fact, what I think I'm gonna do is take this Wet n Wild really dark bronzer, and I'm just gonna dab it on my lips. Never mind all that other stuff. So we truly, I think besides my foundation, we truly did use everything that was contour stick or the powder and the highlighter powder. We didn't stray from that. Just gonna dot that up in there. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to take the Charlotte Tilbury. Actually, this Ellen Tracy might have some glow to it. This one is the it's the highlighter glow crayon that she has. I'm just going to swatch that really quick. Can you see it? I'm going to dab it in the center of my lips. Okay. And of course we cannot use contour for our eyelashes. So I'm going to go ahead and use L'Oreal's Extensionist Lashes today. All right. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to take this. I'm going to move this mirror back into frame so I can see what I'm doing. I'll take my headband off. It's just kind of forgot I had it on. All right. Okay. Here we go, mascara. All right. So I'm going to take this mascara, L'Oreal's Extensionist, and just wiggle it. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm wiggling the brush back and forth to coat all the lashes. I always do that, and I think it makes a big difference. Okay, outer corner here. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's good for today. Other eye. All right. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah, especially the outer lashes, you really want to get all those little baby lashes in there coated. All right. It's a little bit clumpy on this eye. So what I'm going to do is, well, I think I'm just going to use my fingers. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Trying to fix my hair again. Thank you guys for being so patient. This has been awesome. And we are going to set this with this SheGlam Light Me Up Luminous Setting Spray. It's Light Me Up Luminous Setting Spray. Just shake that. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay. And you want to just go ahead and spray it. All right. I'm going to take my fan and dry that. Dry it down. All right. That's good. And anytime you see little blobs from the setting spray, you just want to tap them like that and they'll go away. All right. All right, so it looks like we've come to an end, but I do want to take that Charlotte Tilbury Spotlight highlighter and I want to add a little bit more of it up here. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Gonna lightly tap that with my sponge so we get our glow. And so our contour bronzer session has come to an end. This is what it looks like. Okay, eyes closed. Open. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I did. All right, so thank you guys for watching, and please, like and more importantly, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.